Hey there, I'm Chris Ponick, Certified Public Accountant and Certified Coach. And I have something that will definitely make a difference in your life within the first 30 days of joining. I know if you're listening to this podcast, you're someone who makes big decisions and solves hard problems. And I have a resource that I'm excited to share with you. If today's topic about how success means very little if your relationships suffer resonates with you, I'd love for you to join me in the Reinvention Process private coaching program. This is your next step towards feeling more in control, less overwhelmed, and finally enjoying a more integrated and balanced lifestyle again. And you can join today for just $297 a month. Email info@financialadventure.com and I'll personally answer any questions you have and send you all the details. So today, I want to talk to you about why your career shouldn't cost you the people who matter the most to you. First, I want to ask you a simple question. Who are you doing all of this for? The long hours, the hard work, the responsibility, the pressure. For most people, the answer is easy. It's their spouse, their children, their family, the people that they really care most about. Yet, one of the things that I see all too often is that the very people that we're working so hard for are the people who end up getting what's left of us, what's left after a long day, what's left after the deadlines, what's left after we've solved everyone else's problems. And while we may physically be present, mentally, we're often still at work, thinking about a client, thinking about a project, thinking about everything that still needs to get done. I've been there myself, and I've worked with many accountants and high-stress professionals through this same challenge. Most people don't intentionally neglect their relationships. They become so focused on being successful that they stop being fully present. Then one day, they realize they haven't had a meaningful conversation with their spouse in weeks. They've missed opportunities with their children. They've drifted away from friendships that once meant a lot to them. But the good news is that meaningful change is possible, and you can reconnect with what truly matters to you. One of the things that we focus on inside the Reinvention Process private coaching program is helping you align your life with what matters most. Not by abandoning your career, not by lowering your standards, but by helping you create success that includes strong relationships, meaningful experiences, and a life that you get to enjoy. Because at the end of the day, most people aren't working hard so they can have a successful career. They're working hard so they can have a successful life. And relationships, they're a big part of that. So imagine what would change if you were more present, more connected, and more intentional with the people that you care about most. That's the type of transformation that we're working toward. The Reinvention Process private coaching program includes 2 private 30-minute coaching sessions each month, personalized email support between those sessions, and coaching and support focused on helping you make better decisions, set healthier boundaries, build stronger relationships, and live a life that you are excited to live. And right now, the investment to start reinventing your future is $297 a month. If this sounds like something that you'd like support with, simply email me at info@financialadventure.com, let me know that you're ready to get started, and I'll personally send you all the details and answer any questions that you have. Years from now, most people won't wish that they had answered more emails or worked a few more hours. They'll wish that they had spent more time with the people that they love. If you'd like support creating success without sacrificing your relationships and learn how the Reinvention Process private coaching program can help you, email me at info@financialadventure.com and I'll answer any questions you have and send you all the details. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.